What if tomorrow morning you wake up, check your phone, and the first headline says NASA confirms alien life on K218b, a planet not too far from us in the cosmic neighborhood, and it's alive? Would it change how you see the universe? Would it change how we see ourselves? Let's dive into the mind-bending possibility.
K218b is what astronomers call a super-Earth, a planet about 8 times heavier than our Earth. It's located 120 light years away in the constellation Leo, orbiting a small, cool red dwarf star. This alien world sits in the habitable zone, the perfect distance from its star where temperature could allow liquid water to exist. In 2019, the Hubble Space Telescope made an astonishing discovery: water vapor in its atmosphere. It was the first time we ever detected water on a planet in the habitable zone outside our solar system. So, why is everyone so excited? Because water is the key ingredient for life as we know it, and K218b might have a lot of it. Some researchers think K218b could be a Hycean world, an entirely new type of exoplanet, covered by deep global ocean under a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. Imagine endless alien seas with strange life forms floating beneath thick steam cloud, maybe even more exotic than anything on Earth. Here is the crazy planet. We study planets like K218b without ever going there. We do it by reading their lights. When the planet passes in front of its star, some starlight passes through its atmosphere. By splitting that light into colors, scientists look for biosignatures, chemicals like oxygen, methane, or other gases that could be produced by living things. This technique, called transit spectroscopy, let us read as an invisible fingerprint hidden in distant starlight. With new tools like the James Webb Space Telescope, we are closer than ever to finding those fingerprints of life. Imagine the day scientists say, "We found clear sign of life, alien bacteria floating in the cloud of K218b, or maybe something stranger swimming in its global ocean." The news would shake the world overnight. Scientists would celebrate, religious might rethink humanity's place in the cosmos. People would flood the street to see the news. Some would celebrate, some would panic, but everyone would be asking, what happens next? But could we ever visit or talk to them? K218b is far away, so far that even our fastest spacecraft would take millions of years to get there. Could we send a message instead? Sure, but it would take about 120 years to arrive, and another 120 for any reply. So the first hello and hi there would take more than 2 humans' lifetime. For now, telescopes are our eyes and ears. Now, what if we push the what if further? What if we don't just find microbes but signs of intelligent life? Strange light on the night side of the planet, or radio signal that could not come from nature. Would we reach out or stay silent? Some scientists warn we should not shout into the cosmic dark if we don't know who might answer. Finding alien life is thrilling but risky too. If we ever bring back samples, alien microbes might be harmless or deadly. What if contacting them attracts attention we don't want? That's why many experts say we must be extremely careful when searching for life among the stars. Some dream that far in the future human could live on K218b, floating cities on alien ocean, underwater domes. But with strong gravity and a thick atmosphere, it would take scientific technology to survive. Maybe one day this dream could be real. Even if K218b has no life, the search continues. Our galaxy holds billions of Earth-like worlds. One day we may find life everywhere, or discover we truly are rare. But one thing is certain, the universe is waiting for us to look up and ask, are we alone? Tell me what you do if we found life on K218b. Would you celebrate? Stay silent, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing